kids!
Hoi!
Are you ready to dance and count?
Come on, let's go! Clap your hands, stomp your feet. We're gonna count to 10 with a funky beat. One little lion dancing, roar, spinning round on the jungle floor. Two little monkeys jumping high, swinging tails up to the sky. Three big elephants stomp, 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 moving to the beat, chomp, chomp, chomp. Four tall giraffes nod their heads, dancing slow with wobbly legs. Five green frogs go hop, 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 jumping to the beat, don't stop, stop, stop. Dance, dance, count along. Move your body to the animal song. Dance with kids, heaven, paradise TV. Clap, clap, spin around. Let's count the animals one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey! Keep on dancing all the way. 6 little penguins slide on ice. Wiggle, giggle, oh so nice. 7 brown bears bounce up high. Wave your paws and touch the sky. 8 small zebras run so fast. Stripy dancers zooming past. 9 pink flamingos stand so tall. Balance, wiggle, don't you fall. 10 big tigers jump and play, roaring loud, hip, hip, hooray. Dance, dance, count along. Move your body to the animal song. Dance with kids, heaven, paradise TV. Clap, clap, spin around. We count it all from 1 to 10 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do it all again. Jump, 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 jump. Jump like a monkey. Stomp like an elephant. Roar like a lion. Roar. Spin like a zebra. Clap with your friends. Dance, dance, dance. Again. Now we danced and learned to count. That was fun, no doubt, no doubt. Animals dancing, numbers too. Great job, kids. We're proud of you. Wave goodbye, see you soon. Keep on dancing to the tune. Thank you for dancing and counting with us at Kids Heaven Paradise TV. Don't forget to subscribe.